up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TRT with me. This is the channel where we review healthy products so we can elevate our well-being. So if that's you and you want to stay up to date with healthy alternatives, hit that subscribe button. So today we're going to be reviewing HOPTEA. HOPTEA is actually specifically a mocktail for beer. So it's perfect for craft beer lovers, health-conscious drinkers, or anybody who wants a refreshing citrus kick that's energizing but still light and flavorful. So we're going to review the product, but we're going to go through the pattern. If you're new, that's packaging, availability, taste, texture, effectiveness, value, and price. Alright, so first runner-up is packaging. This is the packaging, and it's pretty neat, y'all. It looks like an IPA, like it looks like I'm about to drink a beer, but it's not. The main ingredient is hops. Super good plant. It has a lot of benefits. I'll go ahead and link something below. I could give a TED talk, but I'd rather you hear it from somebody who's more knowledgeable about it. But overall, for the packaging, let's go ahead and give that 5 stars. As far as the availability, it's gluten, dairy, soy, nut, egg, fish free, and it also has no sweeteners. As far as people with the diet restrictions, it's gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan-friendly, sugar-free, and it's also moderate on the caffeine. It only has 30 milligrams in each can. And of course, it's alcohol-free, keto-friendly, and paleo-friendly as well. Now, where to buy? You can buy from the Hoplark website. It's available on Amazon. You could also buy from retail stores like Whole Foods, Sprouts, Target, and Safeway and Albertsons. You can also check their local store locator and you can find out which areas they sell so you can see if it's in your region as well. So as far as availability, it's available to a wide group of people. It acknowledges allergens, diet restrictions, and you can buy it pretty much anywhere. So we're gonna go ahead and give that 5 stars as well. Now for the taste. Tastes like a beer. I'm not a fan of beer flavor, but I know there is a wide group of people that love it. So for this, it does taste like a beer. It has like an earthy taste. It almost kind of tastes like weed a little bit. I've had IPAs in the past. It does have that citrusy, grapefruit, lemony taste to it. So if you're taking an alcohol break or whatnot, or fast, or if you're just sober curious and you want that beer aroma and everybody's drinking beer and you want to be a part of the gang, this is definitely getting 5 stars for the taste. So now for the texture. It's smooth. Definitely, like I said, emulates that beer texture as well. It's very carbonated. Kind of, you feel that fizz go down. So it was a beer mocktail. Texture feels like a beer. I'm not a fan of a beer, but I'm thinking of y'all, the beer lovers. Texture damn near feels like beer. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this one 5 stars as well. Alright, so now for the effectiveness. As far as effectiveness, this is a mocktail that doesn't have active ingredients, so you're not going to get that buzz, but you're going to get the experience. And I'm getting a beer experience. It tastes like a beer. The texture emulates a beer, specifically an IPA, but what separates it is the ingredients, and you're not going to get a hangover. So as far as the effectiveness, I'm going to go ahead and give it 5 stars. Alrighty guys, so now for the value and price. One single can range from $2 to 49 cents to $4. A 12-pack on their website is $39.99, so that's about $40. But if you do their subscription plan, you could get $35.99. So that's a little bit up there. A tall boy is about in that range, but a tall boy has way more ounces than 16. It's 12 to 16 ounces. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that 4 stars, but I'm just not a beer drinker. If you're a beer drinker and you just really want that beer taste without consuming alcohol, you might bump the value and price up more. It really does taste like a beer. Alrighty, also now for the final star calculation. So the final star calculation is 4.8, and that makes sense. The packaging looks like a beer. The availability, it's available for a wide group of people with allergens, diet restrictions, and you pretty much can buy it from anywhere. It tastes like a beer. Texture was like a beer, and the effectiveness, I give it 5 stars because it's a beer mocktail. It's somebody that wants to get with the gang, drink a beer with them, but they're choosing to not drink alcohol, but they still get the beer experience. So that's why it was effective. Price and value, I rated it 4 stars because I wouldn't per se pay that because I'm not a beer drinker. But if you are, like I said, it might bump it up a little bit. So as far as trash or trend, I'm gonna give it a trend. Like I said, not a beer drinker, but for the beer drinkers out there, I can really see you guys picking one of these up if you're going on a alcohol fast or you just want to give your liver a break. But yeah, so that pretty much wraps up everything. If you guys try it, let me know what you think. Beer drinkers specifically, let me know what you think. Drink HOPTEA, has way more benefits than a beer. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next product, and I'll see you soon.